Hey my beautiful family, welcome back to another video. If this is your very first time you're joining my channel, or this is your first time you're seeing my beautiful face, hi, how are you doing? Yeah, and I'm good. My name is Wendy. So for my returning subscribers, you guys are awesome. Thank you for watching. Thank you for clicking on today's video. So in today's video, I'll be carrying you guys along. Yeah, I have a baby shower that I'll be attending, so I will definitely carry you guys along. So if you've not subscribed to my channel, please do well to subscribe. Click on that red subscribe button and remember to turn on your notification bell while at it, so that you will not miss any of my upload. Give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, let me know what you think about this video, and I will definitely be there to chat with you guys. Yeah, hi guys, so I'm here with a very good friend of mine. Are you shy?
I was ready to say hi.
Are you shy?
No, I was gonna
guys, yeah, meet my one and only, okay? My one and only babe. She's a South African babe, marrying my brother. Yeah. Say hi.
Hi everyone, if you're in the house.
Yeah. Oh yeah, speak your South Africa for them.
Oh my god, this lady doesn't know. In South Africa I've got 9 official languages, so if I had to greet you, I'll have to greet you in all languages.
Yeah,
Bonani, Absheni, Dumelang, Njani, Macheroni. Good morning, good day, good afternoon.
That is so amazing. Zangulu.
What is that?
What did you say? You said Zangulu?
Sanbonani.
Sambonani?
Azulu.
That's Zulu.
Zulu.
Okay, and that is...
It's a language. Zulu.
Good morning.
That's Sanbonani is how are you?
How are you?
Yeah, so basically a greeting. How are you? Okay,
so for my South Africa viewers, Sangunu?
Sanbonani.
Sambonani. How are you doing? Yeah, so guys, we are heading to the baby shower. Like I said, I'm heading right now to where to pick for the caterer that is making the food, and from there we'll head straight to the venue. Please find pictures, find pictures. This is my chair.
Yes, of course.
Yeah. So cross this leg today, Nana.
Easy. Yeah.
Okay. All these pictures for me.
Yes, so Papa Robin.
Jesus, we're going to say J.
J.
E.
E.
S.
S.
Give me Gina.
Last bomb, pop it.
Hey, no, let the mother do it.
Let the mom.
There's plenty. Take
Now the mother is the culprit.
All of them get one.
Don't do it until
Now, whoever
enter now. Okay. So everybody, you three will be together.
That is it. The suspect is over the bar.
I don't know what I was saying.
You
She said they made a mistake. Wow, this is funny. Your makeup no go waste. Your journey no go waste.
Yeah, also shift small.
Sorry. Salah, go here, come and stand there, your mom. Fast, fast. Baby girl. It's a girl. Baby girl, put the knife down.
Oh, I should have gotten the idea from the cake.
Yeah. That was what I thought too. Wendy, she had baby girl.
What's your money?
Yeah, for cheese.
Also,
Yes, sir.
can I prophesy?
Please, Professor.
I can see you wearing white shirt
Yes.
and a white pants.
Yes.
You have pink flowers with the green. Have I ever met you before?
No.
Did you tell me?
I did not tell you.
I can see you carrying 3 baby in your back by next year. 3.
Can I profess? I can't very far. Miss Pink.
I even told him if you want another baby, tell me to yourself. I'm not doing it again after now. I think the worst part is even trying to go back to your own body.
Oh my goodness. Where's my flower? So I can get flower girl.
I think it's so
I'm Helen. Yvonne. Nice to meet you.
go get
The kind of good.
Oh, it is?
That's what everybody
it was good the way we tried. Natural beauty, I look like somebody else. I don't know. Even today, I'm alone. He said no.
That's the way to go down. I don't know the problem. You go talk out. You love talk.
Because I'm not there now. I'm capturing everybody.
How are you all doing? Yeah, just coming back right now. I just decided to talk to you guys in as much as I'm so tired. I'm super tired right now. Yeah, but I'm happy everything went well. And before, like, I'm gonna go ahead right now and take my shower, remove this and catch some rest. Yeah, clean up myself and then have some rest. Yeah, guys, there's something, like, seriously, the auntie gave us a package. Yeah, I never expected this. I'm gonna show you guys, just 1 second. I will show you guys everything that we came back with. Yep. So guys, in here is the bag, and I have this is a face mask, and I have another thing. Oh wow, guys, look at that. This is nice. That is for juice. And I have another thing. Yeah, and this is the shower cap. And there's one more thing. Yeah, we have this. Wow, this is a tea. Okay, and we have this. Yeah, this fruit snack. And this is another beautiful one. This one is a baby opener. Yeah, like it's an opener. I'm gonna open it. Let's see. Okay, so for this one, I personally bought this for everyone that came for the baby shower, you know. So I wanted to use it and say thank you for coming. And because the auntie have already had in mind of having a bag, so I decided to put this one inside everybody's bag. This is cute, like it's so lovely. Let me show you guys. I'm using one hand to open this. Let me show you. This is so nice, and I got this from Amazon. Yeah, this is the feeding bottle, but it's an opener. Yeah, can you see? This is so lovely. You can gift out this as a baby shower gift to anybody that comes, or maybe you're doing child education and you're looking for what to give them, and it's a good gift, honestly. And this is another gift that we got that is from the auntie, and this is a peppermint. So guys, that is everything that I got for the baby shower. The gifts are so nice. I love them, and I'm saying thank you so much, auntie, for blessing, as in for giving us all these gifts. And I'm super excited that my friend, she liked every setup that happened in that baby shower, in as much as it wasn't really kind of a surprise thing, but she's not into the picture of everything we're doing. We just did it like friends and all that for her, and I'm super excited seeing her, like, you know, being happy. And guys, the funny thing is that the baby reveal, yeah, she was expecting it to be a boy, but unfortunately it was a girl. Yeah, she never knew the sex of the baby. Yeah, she never knew the sex of the baby. The doctor, according to her, the doctor gave her the sex of the baby in an envelope, and she gave it to her auntie to keep while she do the baby review. And today she got to realize that, oh my goodness, there is a baby girl, and she was expecting a baby boy, but that's fine. She already has a boy and a girl, but it is what it is. Yeah, and we thank God for that gift. My prayer is that she's going to deliver safely. The Lord will be with her and her baby. Yeah, and I'm using this opportunity, wherever you are watching this video and you are believing God for this kind of miracle, for this kind of blessing, be rest assured that the Lord will hear you and he will surely answer you. And if you've watched this video till this moment, like, seriously, I want to really appreciate you. Thank you so very much for watching. Thank you for sticking around with me. Thank you for enjoying this video. I had fun today, and I hope you too had fun watching this video. I sincerely appreciate you all. And if you're yet to subscribe to my channel, please consider clicking on that red subscribe button. Join my amazing family, and I'll be so happy to have you. Okay, give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, share it with your family and friends. You never can tell, 1 or 2 persons might love my personality and they will fall in love and be part of my family. Share this video, please. Share it with your family and friends, and I will definitely see you guys in my next one. Bye. I love you all. Bye.